And thanks. Now to breaking news out of Dodge County. That's where two people were struck by lightning.
WISN 12 News' Terry Sater is live in Brownsville. And Terry, one of the victims had to be flown to Freighter Hospital.
Well, this was really a strong storm, and again, the Dodge County Sheriff's Office tells us two men were struck by lightning. This is the Hallquist Stone Company's Fond du Lac Quarry. We're going to show you some video from earlier this afternoon. The Sheriff's Office says this all started about 1:40 this afternoon as a strong storm moved through the area. The Fond du Lac reporter says the men were working on a front end loader. That's a heavy piece of construction equipment that is apparently used here at the rock quarry. One of the men was inside that front end loader. The other one was on the outside. It was the man on the outside that suffered the severe injuries. He was transported to Freighter Hospital, presumably for burns from that shock. The one on the inside also hit by the lightning, but he was not injured. Just to get an idea of how strong the storm was, we talked to a neighbor who lives by here.
I came out of my barn and all of a sudden it was just pouring rain, and I was making my way back to the house, and all of a sudden it was just intense lightning and almost constant lightning for about, I would say, half an hour.
So again, those men struck by lightning during that strong storm that moved this afternoon. One of them is at Freighter Hospital tonight being treated for injuries. Live in Dodge County, Terry Sater, WISN 12 News.
Thanks.